Welcome to Lakshman Biology. We are discussing about the animal kingdom multiple choice questions for the NEET, Karnataka CET, CU CET and for another competitive exams. Okay. Already in previous videos I have discussed up to question number 30. Now we will start with the question number 31. I will start with the question number 31. Question number 31. Arthropods sensory organs are. If you see arthropoda, the arthropoda animals sensory organs are used for the sensation to sense the environmental conditions, etc. See, first in option A they have given that, in option 1 they have given that antenna is one type of sensory organ in arthropods. Then in option 2 they have given that simple and compound eyes. Yes, in arthropods you can see the both simple and compound eyes. That is also one character of one sensory organs which are present in the arthropods. Next, after that, statocyst is the sensory organ which is used for the balancing. It is the balancing organ in arthropods. Okay, here option 1, option 2, option 3, all these three are sensory organs of arthropods, hence you have to select option 4, that is all. Next, question number 32. Which one belongs to mollusca? Which one belongs to mollusca? In option 1 they have given that dogfish. Dogfish belongs to Pisces. Dogfish means one type of shark. This is the dogfish. It is one type of shark fish which is not belongs to mollusca. Number 2, jellyfish. This is the jellyfish which belongs to Coelenterata, not belongs to mollusca. Then devilfish. Devilfish means it is octopus. Octopus also called as devilfish. Here I have given the diagram of devilfish or image of devilfish. Devilfish is our answer. Why? Because mollusca, the devilfish belongs to mollusca. Next, silverfish. This is the silverfish. The silverfish belongs to Arthropoda phylum. Hence, question number 32, option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 33. The members of the following phylum are mostly marine and asymmetrical. The members of the following phylum are mostly marine and asymmetrical. If you observe the options, they asked that in options which phylum has a asymmetrical body and marine habitat. Marine habitat means they live in sea water. They should be lives in sea water. Asymmetrical means if you cut the body, you cannot cut the body into two equal parts with any plane or with any line which pass through the central axis. Those type of symmetry is called asymmetrical. Here porifera is correct. Why? Because poriferans are asymmetrical and lives in water. Here I have given few examples for poriferan. First one is this cycon, second one is Euspongia, third one is Spongilla. These three are animals which cannot move. They are attached on the bottom of sea water. Hence here this is which belongs to sessile, and they are lives in marine water and they are asymmetrical. 33, option 4 is correct answer. Next, if you observe the option 1, Ctenophora exhibit radial symmetry. Next, Coelenterata exhibit radial symmetry. For Ctenophora exhibit bilateral symmetry, Coelenterata exhibit radial symmetry. Hence, option 1 is not our answer, option 2 also not our answer. Echinodermata also exhibit radial symmetry. Echinoderms, example starfish, which will exhibit radial symmetry. Mainly pentaradial symmetry we can see in the Echinodermata animals. Next, question number 34. closed circulatory system is found in. Okay, snail, which contain open circulatory system. Okay, snail, this is the snail which belongs to phylum mollusca. This is the snail which belongs to phylum mollusca, which contain open circulatory system. Cuttlefish, here I have given the cuttlefish diagram. Cuttlefish contain closed circulatory system. Cuttlefish contain closed circulatory system. Cockroach contain open circulatory system. Hence option 3 also not our answer. Option 4 all of this also wrong. Hence option 2 is correct answer for question number 34. Next question number 35. In echinoderms, skeleton and circulation is off. In echinoderms, skeleton and circulation is off. See here in echinoderms, skeleton, calcareous skeleton of echinoderms are made with calcareous spicules, calcareous plates. And then if you see the circulation type in echinoderms is open type. Okay, open type circulation system you can see in the echinoderms. Echinoderms means starfish, brittle stars, sea lilies. Those are animals which belongs to echinoderms. They contain endoskeleton. That endoskeleton is calcareous, mainly made with calcium carbonate. Hence question number 35 option 1 is correct answer. Next question number 36. Which of the following is distinctive feature of echinodermata? Here echinodermata already we know starfish, brittle stars and sea lilies, sea cucumbers, all are belongs to echinoderms. What is the special character of echinoderms? That is the question they asked. What is the special character of echinoderms? Here in option 1 they have given that nidoblast. Nidoblast is present in Cnidaria, not in echinoderms. Next, body with pores. This body with pores canal in walls, that is present in Porifera, not in echinodermata. Next option 3 is correct answer. Why? Because water vascular system with radial symmetry. This is the special feature of echinodermata. Water vascular system we can observe in the echinodermata, and radial symmetry also we can observe in the echinodermata. What is the water vascular system? Here I have given the diagram of water vascular system. In the diagram, if you observe, there is a small hole on the dorsal surface of body, that is called mandriporate. Water enter into the body through the mandriporate. From mandriporate to water is enter into the radial canal, ring canal. This is the ring canal. From ring canal to water enter into the radial canals. These are the radial canals. From radial canals again water is enter into the lateral canals. From lateral canal to again water is enter into the tube feet. Here tube feet are used for the locomotion. This is the water vascular system. That water vascular system is present in echinoderms. It is an special character of echinoderms. Apart from that, the echinoderms also exhibit the radial symmetry. Next question number 37. Choose the incorrect statement regarding chordates. Okay, select the incorrect statement regarding to chordates. Option 1. Nerve cord is dorsal to notochord. Nerve cord is dorsal to notochord. Incorrect statement they asked. This is correct only. Nerve cord is dorsal to notochord. What is the dorsal? See, this is one chordate animal. Here I have given one chordate animal. This is the dorsal side, and here it is the ventral side. Next, anterior region, posterior region. See what they given statement. Nerve cord is dorsal to notochord. See, where is the nerve cord? This is the nerve cord. This is the nerve cord. What is the location of nerve cord? Dorsal to notochord, means above the notochord. It is correct only. Next option 2. Ventral heart and mostly closed circulatory system. Yes, they contain ventral heart. Heart is present at ventral side, and they contain closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system means blood flow inside the blood vessels. Next, option 3. Coelomates with no post-anal tail. These are coelomates only because they contain coelom, but there is a post-anal tail. Here they given no post-anal tail, but post-anal tail is present. If you observe the the chordate, structure of chordate, there is a post anal tail after the anus. This is the anus. After the anus, post means after. After the anus, you can see the tail, that is called post anal tail. Hence, option 3 is a wrong statement. Next, option 4, they have given that the presence of dorsal solid notochord. Yes, notochord also present at dorsal side of the body, which is the solid. Okay, which is solid, which is used for the to give support to the body. That is about the question number 37. Option 3 is our answer for question number 37. Next, question number 38. Which of the following is a mammalian trait? Trait means character. Okay, which here they have given 4 characters. Which one is mammalian character? We have to see. Ventral nerve cord. It is not the character of mammals. These are invertebrate characters. Carnivorous. Apart from carnivorous, there is a herbivores. All are there. Next, 7 cervical vertebra. Yes, if you observe the human beings, if you see the mammals like human beings, they contain 7 cervical vertebra. Hence, option 3 is answer for question number 38. Next, question number 39. The cyclostomes are jawless fishes, jawless organisms. Okay, see, here they have given 4 options. We have to identify correct option. Marine, yes, they are marine only. Non-migratory, they will show the migration. Migration means they will move one place to another place for food and for the reproduction, but then they told that no migration, non-migratory. Hence, option 1 is not our answer. In option 2, fresh water, no, they are marine water, not fresh water. Hence, we can eliminate option 2 also. Option 3, fresh water. Again, this also we can eliminate. They lives in marine water, not in fresh water. Option 4, marine, correct only. Migrate to fresh water, yes. Actually, the cyclostomes, example for cyclostome, Petromyzon. Okay, this actually lives in the sea water. They migrate, means they move from sea water to river water for the reproduction. Hence, question number 39, option 4 is our answer. They are marine and migrate to fresh water. Next, question number 40. Teleost fishes are characterized by the presence. Teleost fishes are the fishes, okay, which contain air bladder. Hence, question number 40, option 1 is correct. Next, question number 41. Notochord is found throughout the life. Actually, if you see the few types of chordates, actually chordate character is the presence of a notochord. In any one stage of its life cycle. Few types of animals contain, few types of chordates contain the notochord only in larval form, that are called urochordates. In few types of chordates, what happen? Notochord is converted into vertebral column. Means first notochord is there in embryonic stage. Again, in adults, what happen? There is a vertebral column. Like in human beings also, there is a vertebral column. That vertebral column comes from the notochord only. But if you see the animal like Amphioxus, this is Amphioxus. Okay, this is animal. Name of this animal is Amphioxus, which belongs to Cephalochordata. Okay, this contain notochord from head to tail. Notochord present head to tail, but throughout the life, not only in any one part of life, throughout the life you can see notochord in the Amphioxus. Next, question number 42. Mark the correct match of the animals and its common name. See, mixin also called as hogfish. That is only correct. Mixin also called as common name for mixin is hogfish, which belongs to Aegnatha, jawless organisms. Okay, that is mixin. It is one type of one type of ectoparasite, or mainly it will eat flesh of dead bodies which lives in a marine water. Next, Acidia. Okay, here Acidia they given Lancelot, this is wrong answer. Acidia also called as Headmania. Normal name of Acidia is, common name of Acidia is Headmania. Headmania, not the Lancelot. Next, Pterophyllum. Pterophyllum is Pterophyllum. It is not called as flying fish. Flying fish is Exocetus. Flying fish is a common name of Exocetus. Here you can observe the flying fish. This is the flying fish. When predators are attack on the flying fish or Exocetus, it will jump from the sea water and escape from the predators. Okay. Trigon, dogfish. Okay. This is a, if you see the option 3, they have given a Pterophyllum. This is the Pterophyllum which actually we can grow in the aquarium. Okay. Trigon, dogfish. No, dogfish means a shark. Okay, one type of shark is called as dogfish, not the trigon. Here option number 4, question number 42, option 1 is correct answer. Mixing hogfish. Next, question number 43, notochord occur all through the length of body and throughout the life in. Okay, already we discussed that in previous questions. That is, chordata animals contain notochord at any one stage of its life cycle. But few types of chordates will contain notochord throughout the life. Example for that is cephalochordata. Cephalochordata animals. Example for cephalochordata, Amphioxus. Amphioxus, it is also called as a lancelet. Amphioxus also called as a lancelet. These Amphioxus contain notochord throughout the body from head to tail and throughout its lifetime. Hence, question number 43, option 4 is the correct answer. Next, question number 44, Chondrichthyes is characterized by. See, Chondrichthyes are characterized by. What are the characters of Chondrichthyes? They have asked. Fishes commonly divided into two classes, that are Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Osteichthyes. Example for Chondrichthyes, that is sharkfish. Example for Osteichthyes, Katla, Rohu, all are the example for the Osteichthyes. Chondrichthyes contain cartilaginous endoskeleton, Osteichthyes contain bony endoskeleton. Here the characters of Chondrichthyes, number 1 is placoid scales. Yes, placoid scales are present in the Chondrichthyes. Next, mouth. Mouth is ventral mouth is present. See, if you observe the sharkfish, this is the sharkfish. See, this is the sharkfish. Where is the mouth? This is the mouth. What is the location of mouth? Mouth is located at ventral side. Hence, question number 44, 1 and 2 both are correct. In option 4, they have given both 1 and 2. Hence, option 4 is our answer. Okay, in option 3, they have given ventral mouth, correct only, but they contain placoid scales, not the ctenoid scales. Hence, we can eliminate the option 3. Question number 44, option 4 is correct answer. After that, question number 45, which of the following group does not represent a class? Which of the following group does not represent a class? One by one we will see. In option 1, they have given amphibia. Yes, amphibia is one class which contain the animals which lives in both aquatic environment and terrestrial environment. Option 2, Petromyzon. Petromyzon is one type of animal. Petromyzon is one type of animal. It is not the class. Hence, Petromyzon is our answer. Aves is one class only which contain all type of birds. Pisces contain all type of fishes. Pisces also one type of class only, one type of group only. Okay, hence question number 45, option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 44, mark the incorrect statement about the members of the class Cyclostomata. Here they have given few characters which are related to Cyclostomata. We have to identify the incorrect statement. Option 1, circulation is closed type, correct only. Closed type of circulation you can see in the cyclostomes. Example for cyclostomes is petromyzon and myxin. They are lives in sea water, they are ectoparasites. Next, option 2, body devoid of scales and unpaired fins. Yes, they not contain unpaired fins and scales, hence option 2 also correct only. Option 3, have a sucking and circular mouth without jaws. Here meaning for option 3, they contain sucking and circular mouth without jaws. They are jawless animals. Actually they are ectoparasites on the surface of big fishes and big aquatic animals. See, this is the one type of cyclostomes. Name of this one is petromyzon. If you observe here, which contains circular mouth, with the circular mouth it will attach on the big fishes, and with that it will take the flesh from the big fishes. After few days what happens, the big fish will be died. Okay, here all 1, 2, 3 are correct. In option 4, none of the above, hence option 4 is our answer. Okay, all are characters of cyclostomes only. Next, question number 47, which of the following statement is not true about jawless fishes of the Aegnatha? Okay, this also jawless fishes means cyclostomes only here also. Okay, which one is not the character of cyclostomes only? Here we have to identify. Option 1, they have notochord throughout their leaves. Which of the following statement is not true about jawless fishes? They have notochord throughout their life. Yes. They include hogfish and lampreys. Yes, it's correct. They have bony endoskeleton. It is wrong. Okay, they are known as cyclostomes. It is the correct. Option 3 is wrong. They have cartilaginous endoskeleton, not the bony endoskeleton. We can remove this option 1 also, because in the cyclostomes also we can see the presence of vertebral column. Notochord is converted into vertebral column, but more suitable answer for the 47 is 3 only. Why? Because they not contain bony endoskeleton, bony skeleton. They contain cartilaginous skeleton. Next, question number 48, following are few examples of bony fishes. Bony fishes. Find out the marine bony fishes among them. See, bony fishes means osteichthyes. Already I have told that the fishes Pisces are divided into 2 classes, that are osteichthyes and chondrichthyes. The example for the marine osteichthyes are Pristis and Torpedo. Okay, those Pristis and Torpedo are marine bony fishes. Next, question number 4 is the correct answer.